Weißt du, das ist runterfahren. Gott! Du hast keine Rechte zu machen. Gott! Nee, das ist unsere. Das ist unsere.
Das ist nicht meins.
Das ist unsere.
Das ist nicht richtig.
Okay, go ahead. 3 million euro. Where are 3 million euro? You call the police. Yeah, you can call the police. Call the police. You
No,
call the
I'm
police.
here. You can
You
police.
call police.
No. I never called police. I am here. Where are 3 million Uyghur? Where are my family member?
Kollege, du hast recht, aber das
No.
das
Yeah, yeah. First 3 million Uyghur. Where?
ich bin auch sicher, okay?
Yeah, yeah. No.
Kollege,
Wenn ihr nicht aufhört, dann kommt Polizei, dann ist gut. Das ist okay.
Kollege.
No, no. First you come to the here. Call the police. Yeah, call the police. Yeah, come to the police.
Polizei nach Ruhe.
Kollege,
No.
Kollege.
No, first.
Please.
No, 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 no. Don't tell me anything.
Kollege, please.
Why, please? Yeah, call police.
Ich bin auch okay, mach.
Where are you from? No, no. You can't call the police.
He has the right to protest. This is Germany.
No man. Yeah, I know.
not the
I know
PRC right
I know
now.
he's not. I know he has the right to do this. This is okay. I don't say anything about. But this is not allowed. This is not okay.
Then call the police.
You can't call police. You can't
If you
call
have a
police.
problem with it, you need to call
You
the
can't
police.
call police.
Ich darf gar nicht fotografieren mit dem Handy. Ist verboten.
Yeah.
Das ist verboten.
I'm
Ja,
afraid.
weißt du,
Just
das
for
ist
me, you
verboten.
call police. No, I'm afraid you. Yeah. No.
You have a problem with Datenschutz.
You can call police.
Verboten. Datenschutz.
No, only for the safe. No, only for the safe. No.
Meistens ist es seine eigene
Yeah, you can
Sicherheit.
call the police. You can call police.
you have a problem,
Okay.
call the
Yeah,
police.
call the police.
So where are they?
Everywhere. There's how police. You can call the
You're in
police.
Germany now. People have a right to protest.
Yeah.
And he's actually
You can
right.
call the police.
No, I didn't say anything about this. Okay.
Yes, you find this offensive.
But das ist nicht.
It offends you. Yes, in Germany, people are allowed to say things that offend you. You need to come to terms with that. Can you deal with
You
that?
can look up my family member. You can call.
Hang on,
Look at my.
let's just relax. Yes, it offends you, but he's allowed to do it. It's called freedom of expression. Yes, you don't like it. He's also allowed to do it. So
Okay.
you can't attack him.
You understand.
This is a democratic